I got this boat, it had a bilge pump that worked when manually turned on, and it had a float switch to turn on automatically, but that part didn't operate it. We replaced it with this rule-made pump. Turns out this model has some really nice smart features built into it. The wiring was in bad shape, and the last pump only used a 2-position toggle switch. So I bought and installed a 3-position switch and ran new wire from the fuse block back to the pump. Here you can see the switch in the dash. Now the wiring is upgraded with waterproof blade connectors so the pump can be disconnected or replaced easily, and all the wire is protected and organized with split loop. The routing is done to fit in specific cutouts in the removable covers that go over the bilge. This gives the back bunk area significantly more storage.